what's up everybody, Devin up here, and today I got Philips on wireless speaker, and I thought this was pretty interesting because not only is a speaker, it emulates light from the back, and you know, I thought that was pretty interesting. So we're gonna get into it, talk about it, unbox it, go over some reviews because the reviews is kind of not looking so great. So we're gonna get into it, see why it's like this. And I think the concept is pretty cool, so we're gonna get into it. I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it started. Throw them things up for your boy. Alright, so here we are. Philips wireless home speaker. All your sounds in any room. Works with DTS Play-Fi sound systems, Spotify, Bluetooth, Chromecast built in. Works with Apple AirPlay and Wi-Fi certified. Also works with OK Google and Alexa. DTS Play-Fi high quality multi-room audio. Connects to your sound bar for surround sound. Built-in LED lights. Works with Philips Ambilight TV. Connects your favorite voice assistance enabled devices. Alright, next we're gonna unbox it. Alright, so when you first open it up, look like you have a power cord, of course. A little quick start guide. You got a little mini Xbox Series X. Nah, I'm playing. You got your speaker right here. Alright, so here's the whole speaker itself. Of course, you know, the brand is Philips. Right here is gonna be the light that emulates light from the back, you know. Then you got the minus and the plus sign, self-explanatory to turn. You know, you turn the volume up and down. Then you got the pause and play button. Next, you got the whole speaker box right here. Feels pretty nice. I don't really feel the speakers on the inside, so it's a nice, you know, material right here. And here's the back that pretty much has sold me. So next, we got the Wi-Fi button, the Bluetooth button, USB, the aux, and of course the power aux cord. So without further ado, let's get it started. Alright, so to set up and connect, what you gotta do is download the Philips app. After the Philips app, you will either want to connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. I personally, for some reason, cannot connect via Bluetooth. I had to connect Wi-Fi. You see on the back, there's two buttons. I tried to press Bluetooth, it wasn't working for me, so I had to connect via Wi-Fi. There's a Wi-Fi button right here. It's not emulated. I'm not sure why the Bluetooth emulated because I'm not connected Bluetooth, I'm connected Wi-Fi. All right, so it's connected. I'm gonna play some music from Apple Music.
Just want back what I put into this, and then I'll keep moving. All of my chips on the table, 'cause I never got.
Yo, did y'all hear that? That speaker loud. Hold up. All right, bro. Like I said, I know it's copywritten, but yo, look at the. You see where it's at? Like this thing is low, and here it is.
I came for, not leaving till I am stable.
Yo, that speaker loud. Like, all right. Yo, why people hating on it? Like, what's going on?
Push P. Yeah, push P. Turn me up. Turn me up, please.
All right, hold on. I'm sounding like this speaker even more because I thought this one of them speakers where you only can like stream like, you know, major stuff like Apple Music and Spotify like it said, but you can actually stream from YouTube. Okay, all right. That joint got some bass behind it. Hey, nah, bro, they went crazy in the studio, son. Like, it was, and nah, but they was probably chopping that joint up in the studio, like passing that around, you know what I'm saying? Like, nah, bro, listen to this joint, like, listen to it a few more times, the joint gonna slap for real. Nah, bro, oh, who that joint ain't slapped though, that just was, hey, yo, hey, stop playing with me, bro. Hey, bro, that was my game. That's all I'm gonna say. That was my game. That was my game, bro. Oh yeah, so that was the end of the video. I really like this. It's really loud. It's a dope speaker, and it got lights in the back that emulates. I have no idea what the hate's about. I used it, it's perfectly fine. You guys heard the sound is perfectly fine. I don't know, maybe I'm one of the fortunate ones, but I don't know. It works for me. You see it. It's just a little plug and play. You got connected to a Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and it just goes crazy as you hear. I got goals today. You got goals today. It's a dope speaker. I say go ahead and get it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and like it. And I'm out. Thanks for watching. Peace.